So I'm very happy to meet Madam Jyoti, and she has used certain terms like art therapy, art psychology. I think in my age of 68, 69 years, I've never heard these terms. So what Madam is suggesting is that beautiful collection of books she has got, and she'll be adding certain comics and all those things for the kids. So kids can also come and sit in this very nice ambience, in this nice corner, and I'm sure that this will be a mobile-free time. So that digital time would be quite reduced. And you can see these beautiful paintings over there. So they're just looking at the painting gives you so much relaxation. And I was just discussing and telling, and Madam told that she has got certain professional artists whom she has hired to train other people who have got little bit of interest. Even if they don't have interest, when they come over here, I'm sure that they'll learn a great deal from this gallery. And this is a very new initiative, and I wish Madam all the best. And क्या कहते हैं इसको, ये जो प्रोफेशन मैडम ने चुना है, लॉर्ड गणेशा, look at the way, my goodness, I think a printed material is not that, it doesn't attract us as much as this beautiful painting of Lord Ganesha is attracting. You can't, I don't feel like taking my eyes off this idol of Lord Ganesha. It looks so beautiful and appealing.
Thank you.
And there are so many other paintings, so many other paintings. So just to come over here, look at Shimla, the view of Shimla. My goodness, the way artist has captured it, it's mind-boggling. So as Madam was saying that art is basically your imagination. Because nowadays what we're doing is, we're just scrolling certain things and we are not living in our ideas and imagination. Because if we live in our ideas and imagination, so that gives us a let off. Because I think nobody has told anybody to paint something like this. Look at the view of Shimla, the snow falling. Can we imagine? Nobody has guided that person, Mr. Jasveer Ram, that do a painting like this. He just thought of it, he just imagined it. कि यार जब बर्फ पड़ती है तो तकरीबन ऐसा शिमला दिखता है. So it's so catchy. So I can just, I'm very happy to see this gallery and a private gallery and a great venture that Madam Jyoti, she has floated. And if you can send your kids, youngsters, other people to this gallery, it's very near to this location. क्या बोलेंगे मैम? What is the location of this?
So this is on Old Ambala Highway.
Old Kalka
near
Ambala,
Yes Bank. Yes Bank के पास. Dreams Inn के पास.
Old Kalka Ambala Road के पास, just near Hotel Dreams Inn.
Yeah,
and
Dreams
it is on the first floor, right?
Yes.
And near Yes Bank. I think to
Yes.
your left is the Yes Bank.
Yeah.
And you can just visit this gallery. The name of the gallery is Art Zera. Art Zera. So
Yes, sir.
thank you.
Thank you so very much,
ma'am.
sir.
Great learning today.
Thank
Hello ma'am.
Hello, sir.
I am N.K. Gupta and I have come from Sushma Urban View Society, and this gallery, what is the name of this gallery?
Sir, Art Zera.
Art Zera Gallery. Okay, so it's a fantastic gallery. I can see some very nice paintings, right? So ma'am, what is the concept? Why did you start this gallery?
Sir, I am into art basically. I love art and
Okay.
moreover I love artists.
अरे क्या
And
बात.
I love the concept of Make in India. Like I do not want people to buy anything from outside country because we have so many talented people here in this country.
Okay.
And if you want to learn art, it is a very good therapy because I'm an art therapist, so I promote
Art therapist. अरे
So I'm
क्या
a
बात है.
psychologist.
अरे क्या बात है मैम. So that's a great term that, and I think I've heard it for the first time.
Yes.
Art therapist and then art psychologist.
Yeah.
Great ma'am, great. So can anybody can join this?
Anyone, sir.
Anyone can join.
Yes.
So you
There's
have
no
got
age
some.
limitation.
Okay, so there is no age limitation, and you have got certain professional artists
Yes.
who would be taking some classes, and the charges also would be reasonable,
Yes, very
right?
nominal.
They will be very nominal.
Yeah.
So ma'am, can you just show me around the gallery?
Sure.
Okay.
Please come.
Beautiful painting, ma'am. So this is also painted, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Acrylic color and
Great.
it's
ये तो मैम वो लग रहा है जैसे हिमाचल का लुक है.
Sir, ये शिमला है.
हाँ, शिमला ही है. So what would be?
Renowned artist.
Yeah. So what would be the cost of this painting?
Sir, it's about 1.2.
1.2 lakhs.
Yes.
Very great. And normally, ma'am, the artists they put their signature on
Yes,
the.
sir. इसमें उन्होंने back side
अच्छा,
दिया
back
है.
में. That's great.
Otherwise, if you see-
Otherwise, they
Yeah, this
give
is
it on the
Indian
front.
masterpiece, so
अच्छा, ये भी.
it's the name,
हाँ,
Jasveer
जसवीर
Ram.
राम. अच्छा, ग्रेट मैम. देखो शिमला का कितना प्यारा बनाया.
हाँ जी.
Very great, ma'am. And how much time it takes, ma'am, to create a painting like this?
It takes a lot of time, effort, and it's all about the thinking concept. the
Concept.
creativity.
It's all creativity, no?
Yes, it's all
Because you can't copy these things from anywhere.
This is again a concept only. So this is a pure liberation series.
Oh, liberation series.
Liberation series. So artist has already made 51 art pieces.
Okay.
तो सब में कुछ ना कुछ different होगा. So if you figure out यहाँ पे it's about life.
Okay.
So
It's about life
life and liberation.
and liberation.
So
क्या
this
बात
is
है?
painted from the meditation rooms, study rooms.
Okay. Great, great.
He's the artist, Jagjeet Singh.
Right. Great,
This
ma'am.
See, this all two pieces are part of Liberation series.
Liberation.
Yeah, so he made it in 2024.
Great.
So you can see the light. the
अरे
lotus.
ब्यूटीफुल, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है
So
मैम. Rather than what we hang in our houses.
Everything is going somewhere inside. So that's what he wants to convey, that everything is within us.
Within us.
So
Okay.
the divine.
Divine,
It's
yes.
all about divine.
नहीं नहीं मैम, इट्स गिविंग अ वेरी गुड इम्प्रेशन. सीधा जोत टाइप लग रहा है ना ऊपर.
हाँ जी,
हाँ,
हाँ जी.
जैसे
ये हमारे अंदर से ही आता है.
अंदर से ही, मतलब अंदर तो जोत है ही हमारे अंदर, तो उसी की रिफ्लेक्शन है ये. इट्स अ वे ऑफ शोइंग दैट डिविनिटी दैट रिसाइड्स इन अस.
So art is all about stories,
It's
the
all.
moments. It has a beautiful story about his childhood memories.
Memories.
So he used to trouble some insects and all.
Hmm.
So when he grew up, he realized his problems, his karma, that however he spoiled others' lives. So this is kind of a tribute or
whatever.
forgiveness which he
forgive.
is seeking, and he wants to forgive everybody else.
ओके, फैंटास्टिक मैम. नहीं लेकिन अच्छा लग रहा है. इट इज़ क्वाइट अपीलिंग टू द आई.
So, and this is something which has just come today. हमारे आर्टिस्ट ने ही बनाया है ये.
ओके मैम.
This comes under affordable art category.
अफोर्डेबल आर्ट.
This will be all below 1500.
बिलो 1500.
This is just for Diwali.
इवन दिस ट्री ऑल्सो, दिस ट्री.
ये थोड़ा सा expensive
थोड़ा सा
है, बहुत
expensive.
ज़्यादा नहीं.
Okay.
ये वाला जो है,
जो
इसमें बहुत
नीचे जो
सारे भी
गणेशा,
हैं, almost
आई कैन सी
20
दिस
pieces,
3
yeah.
गणेशा आइडल्स एंड
Yeah, easily.
ओके, ग्रेट मैम, ग्रेट ग्रेट ग्रेट.
So, ताकि सबके लिए हो, because
ताकि
art
ये
should
आर्ट
be
इज समथिंग
for
बिकॉज मैम
everyone.
अदरवाइज तो मतलब करोड़ों में पेंटिंग्स होती हैं.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
वो M.F. हुसैन एंड
Yes.
आई वाज रीडिंग समवेयर हंड्रेड्स ऑफ करोड़ में थी पेंटिंग, मे बी मोर.
It should not restrict anyone.
हाँ हाँ, नहीं नहीं, इट्स रियली गुड. एंड मैम लाइक व्हाट्स द कॉस्ट, लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल इफ अ स्टूडेंट ज्वाइंस यू, तो उसका वो पेंट वगैरह में कितना खर्चा आता है?
Again, it depends. Medium क्या है? Water.
जैसे फॉर
There are
एग्जांपल
acrylic, pastel.
if a newcomer he wants to do a painting like this, right?
हाँ जी.
So उसमें मतलब how much he need to invest in colors and all?
बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं होता है सर, बिकॉज आपने एक बार खरीद लिया तो वो सिर्फ एक पेंटिंग के लिए नहीं होता.
हाँ, वो तो it will last so many.
Multiple time,
हाँ,
हाँ जी.
मतलब
So
कोई
it
ज़्यादा
depends.
खर्चा नहीं है.
It depends.
खर्चा नहीं.
It's not about the expenditure, it's about investment. आप भी इसको खर्चा मत बोलिए. ये एक investment है.
That's great, ma'am. It is an investment onto yourself.
Yeah, because
हाँ.
what you're going to get back is
Very
immense.
immense, ma'am.
ये मधुबनी आर्ट है सर.
मधुबनी is from which state?
सर ये बिहार से.
बिहार से है मधुबनी.
हाँ जी. ये
अच्छा,
वहाँ के नेचुरल कलर्स पे फेविक्रिल से बनता है.
ग्रेट मैम.
ये मुगलई आर्ट है.
मुगलई,
हाँ जी.
हाँ उनका वो हाथी टाइप लग रहा है. हाँ, ओके. एंड दिस इन सेंटर व्हाट इज
रेजिन
दिस?
आर्ट.
Origin?
हाँ जी, रेजिन आर्ट.
अब फिर से बोलना.
रेजिन आर्ट सर. ये एक रेजिन मटेरियल होता है.
ओके, अच्छा
ये
अच्छा.
जो है एक लेडी है हमारी आर्टिस्ट.
हाँ जी.
A lot of love.
Great,
This is the
great.
first piece which came to my gallery.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, great. So you have in some paintings you have displayed the prices also, no?
सर ये अभी किसी एग्जीबिशन में गई.
अच्छा, तो वहाँ पे आपने वो ठीक है. So you have got a, you can say a setup with so many artists, हैं?
Yes sir.
हाँ, setup
मेरे
है.
पास बडिंग आर्टिस्ट भी हैं और बहुत ज़्यादा renowned आर्टिस्ट भी हैं.
अच्छा.
So we want to be kind of someone जो एक पूरा ब्रिज बनाए आर्टिस्ट के लिए और बायर्स के लिए.
हाँ.
एंड nobody should go empty handed from here कि ये तो बहुत हाई
हाँ, मतलब something high-fi which he cannot afford.
Yeah.
ऐसी feeling नहीं आनी चाहिए.
Because it's a gift to this place.
अच्छा अच्छा.
कि जो भी यहाँ पे आपको they should
नहीं मैम,
feel proud
the
कि
ambience is
हमारे
good
पास,
and peace of mind I can observe, right? और बच्चे यहाँ पे आके अगर ये करें,
थोड़ा सा cluttered है because मैं
अरे कोई बात, that doesn't matter मैम, ये तो चलता ही रहेगा ना. These things will